Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 2nd December. And first of all, national news. India gave model of development to world PM Modi's top quotes at COP28. PM suggested 2028 COP in India announced green credit scheme will entirely secure Pakistan Bangladesh borders in 2 years, Amit Shah. Supreme Court wraps Tamil Nadu governor for referring bills to president. RBI said 2000 notes now withdrawn, worth 9,760 crore yet to return. 2023 shattered climate recorded 2024 to be as bad. Concerns for India. Now international news. Paraguay officials sacked after signing MoU with Indian fugitive Nityananda's fictional country. Indian and Australian High Commissions in London host inaugural Indo-Pacific Conference. Ukraine down 18 Russian drones in overnight airstrike. Israel Army published map of evacuation zones in Gaza as truce expired. Philippines built Coast Guard station on disputed South China Sea island. Indian student beaten forced into labor for months in US. 3 Indian origin men charged. Now some sports news. Priyanshu Rajwat Ashwini Tanisha entered semi-finals of Syed Modi International. Shiva Thapa Amit Panghal entered final at Men's National Boxing Championships. IPL media rights value can touch $50 billion. Chairman Arun Dhumal. Rafael Nadal confirmed Brisbane International return ahead of Australian Open. Now business related news. RBI said 2000 bank notes worth 9,760 crores still in circulation. Rupee rose to settle at 83.30 against US dollar. Nifty hit lifetime high, Sensex jumped 493 points on favorable macro data. Manufacturing recovered in November but export ordered growth lowest since June. India to resume import of oil from Venezuela after 3 years as US sanctions on Caracas ease. And that's all in news. Thank you.